of our Regional Director of the Department of Education, I'd like to read the citation of this government recognition of Marhaba School of Davao. Okay, government recognition number R-11-001, Series 2024. So that means this, as of this time, this is the only school being recognized for the year 2024. So we have recommending approval our Chief of the Quality Assurance Division, Generito S. Atilio, and also approved by Alan G. Farnazo, our Director 4 of the Department of Education, Region 11. Congratulations, Marhaba School of Davao!
That's the reason that I did our best, and you would notice that all my teachers are licensed teachers because that is one of the requirements na ma-recognize sa school ko. I am 48 years old now, and the junior high school is recognized for 50 years. Maging 98 years old na ako before ma-renew ang Marhaba School of Davao. I think I will be there in that time. So sabi ko, it's a blessing. Thank you for protecting my school, defending my school, and helping the Marhabanians. Muna ang award na 50 years. Dili na mo rinyo ang Marhaba sa DepEd permit for 50 years. Thank you so much. To God be the glory.
I would like to express our heartfelt thanks and gratitude to Marhaba School of Davao for always being a faithful partner in the call for education, educating the minds of our Filipino learners, serving our Filipino children. Although they are there in Myanmar, but their hearts, these lovely couple, have been hearts, golden hearts for Filipino children.
As we move forward to this new chapter of our lives, let us continue to give the best and become the best in ourselves. Thank you and congratulations.
Congratulations once again, and best of luck and exciting road ahead. Thank you so much and good afternoon, everyone.
And of course, the highlight of the celebration for today is the first batch of the senior high school candidates for graduation today. I know that it's not easy to have you all, especially for some enrollment processes in my school. And of course, we have undergone so many evaluations from the Department of Education, especially the Marhaba School of Davao is recognized now as 50 years with government permits. And of course, with our guest speaker today, she will be awarded that today. Again, thank you so much.
But my take on this, you need to. Kinahanglan nimo mo iskuya o kinahanglan nimo diskarte sa kinabuhi. So it's about having the balance of it. Mga bata, young people, finish your schooling. Get a degree. Tarungan ninyo inyong pag-eskwela habang inyong mga pinitanan na apay capacity na kayo pa na ay kasuportas sa inyo. Kaya moabot ang panahon that you will be cast out to the world. Sana pagdating ng panahon that you will be there in a very crucial position. Sana when you make a decision and you will be in an influential position that there is so much power, klaro sa imuha ang tama o ang mali. Kaya na-instinct na yun sa imuha, sa imuhang pamilya, sa imong inikanan, sa imuhang eskwelahan, ang moral conviction. At sana, lagi natin pipiliin kung ano ang dapat.
With your Recognition Day 2024 with a theme, Filipino Youth Building a Stronger Future for New Philippines. You have to climb the stairs in order for you to reach your goal, your ambition in life. You have to start your the nursery, the kindergarten, grade 1, grade 2, and grade 3. And now you are promoted 1 year na ma-promote mo to the next higher level. Education is about changing and transforming your life to have a better future someday. In order for you to reach your goal and ambition in life, just a little sacrifice and you will make it with the guidance of God. Hope to see you all someday. My dear students, never quit, never surrender, and you will get your reward later.